Side Storm Team.
Hey, thank you so much for being with us, everyone. If you're up this early, wow, okay, good for you. It is very early.
I think that every morning, every Saturday and Sunday. Wow.
I guess you do. And there is a lot to talk about. And my goodness, aren't we so fortunate compared to our neighbors in Middle Tennessee?
We really are. And how we expected things, unfortunately, to shape out, it's really how they did. The better ingredients for severe weather were across West and Middle Tennessee yesterday. And that's where most of the severe weather was. We did have a time when there was a tornado watch in parts of the plateau and Southern Valley. That has expired. At this point, we're not expecting any more severe weather. We are keeping a close eye on the amount of rain we have getting, though, because we are leading to some localized flooding issues. Notice still some downpours right now across the Southern Valley through parts of McMinn, Monroe counties, up towards Loudoun and Roane counties. But notice we're starting to dry out on the western side of Cumberland County. So the end is near. We just have to get towards this afternoon. So right now we also still have a few moderate showers for the northern areas into parts of Kentucky. But notice there's really been a swath of rain, 2 to 3 inches that has already fallen, and more rain is falling. So do be mindful of those flood-prone, low-lying areas in your travels this morning. We do have an aerial flood advisory. It's in effect right now for portions of Sevier County. It does include the cities of Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg, and the Smoky Mountains National Park. That it remains in effect through 8 a.m. this morning. Another aerial flood advisory up into Kentucky includes parts of Knox County, Kentucky, Bell County, as well as Harlan counties. That's through 6 a.m. this morning. So again, just be mindful if you are up early traveling on this Sunday morning. We still do have a bit of sustained winds, upwards of 5 to 10 miles per hour across the region. We still have the potential of seeing some gusty winds as this cold front really moves through the region. So the timeline here, still seeing a few showers into the next few hours. Notice scattered showers continuing, but the lightning and thunder activity has dropped substantially. There was a lot of thunder earlier this morning. Now we're not seeing any lightning strikes across the region. So we are losing a lot of that energy out of the atmosphere. As we go in towards the afternoon, notice this is noon. Couple isolated showers still around. Rain coverage does continue to diminish into the afternoon. Clouds will remain in abundance. Temperatures will drop. And as we go in towards this evening, there's still just enough moisture where we will see a changeover. Some mountain snow showers expected. Notice this is 6 o'clock. It's really Sunday night and into the first part of Monday morning where we have the best chance of seeing those mountain snow showers. So temperatures this afternoon. Knoxville reached 59 degrees right around midnight. That's our high for the day. 4 o'clock, we're going to be in the 30s on the plateau and low 40s here in the valley. So temperatures cool off today. It's a bit of a backwards day. Wind gusts will still be on the strong side this afternoon, but not as strong as we saw last night and into the first part of this morning. But we could still see a gust upwards of 20 miles per hour later in the day. Now, I mentioned the snow totals really have to go up in elevation to see potentially 1 to 2 inches Newfound Gap, 1 to 3 inches above the higher elevations. Maybe a quick dusting the lower elevations, but yesterday was rather warm and obviously the ground's very saturated, so not expecting tremendous accumulations. Now, this was just released by the National Weather Service in Morristown. We do have a new winter weather advisory for the mountains of Blount, Sevier, Cocke, and Greene counties. This will go into effect at 4 o'clock this afternoon and be in effect until noon on Monday. So really, it's the higher elevations of the Smokies that have the best chance of seeing accumulating snow. Temperatures tonight will bottom out in the low 30s. Definitely want the jacket stepping out the door tomorrow morning. But by the afternoon, we will warm up into the low 40s. So tomorrow, another chilly day. But next week looks much quieter than what we saw this weekend. Temperatures do rebound. We're back up into the lower 50s by the middle of next week.